Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from Revolut to Binance. First, make sure you have both accounts. Now, let's just go and open the Binance application. You can also do that in the website if you want to. And here, you will be able to go to your wallet or assets, for example. So once you click on assets, you'll find exchange and wallets. Just go and click on wallets. And here, as an example, you will be able to go to fiat and spots and click on deposits right away. Since I cannot access, an example, my wallet in here because I'll have to verify my ID, I'm just going to switch to PC real fast. So, an example on the PC, I'm on Binance.com. I can go here to this wallet option and I can go and click on spots. So, in here, as we said, we'll have to go and click on deposits. So, fiat and spots is the same. And in here, as an example, we said we'll have to go and click on deposits. So, now you'll have to choose the currency that you want to deposit. You can, of course, do the P2P trading or deposit crypto. Send crypto, an example, to your Binance account if you have some crypto assets. And if you don't have crypto, you can do it through P2P trading or buy right away, as example, crypto. So if you go and choose that option, here you'll have to choose, an example, the amount that you want to buy and with which currency. So as an example, let me just go back here to my phone. So in my Revolut account, let me just go and wait for that until it's open. It will require for my Touch ID. Let me just go and do so. An example here, I do have euros. So let's just go here and choose and look for euro. So in here, I want an example to buy 50 euros, example, worth of USDT. So I'll be able to get this amount. Of course, you will not be able to do so unless you verify your ID. So if your ID is already verified, you will not get the option of verify ID. So let me just go back to your PC to show you. So as an example, you'll find here this buy option. We choose euro right here. And here, as an example, I'll get this amount of USDT. So as I said before, you'll have to verify your ID until so you can do so. For you, you should find here a buy option right away. Once you click on buy, you'll have to fill up your Revolut card information. Of course, on Revolut, you will be able to find them down below. And of course, if you verified your ID, you'll be able to click on your card and you'll be able to see it. For me, I cannot show you my card because I'm share screening, so Revolut hides this information. And yeah, for you, just go to that card and you'll get all the details. You can just go and enter it on your Binance account once you are buying it, and you should be good to go. That should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.